Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So first of all, we would like to say many happy returns of the day to MS Dhoni sir.
Yes, God bless you, sir, and please take care of your health, take
Yes.
care of your family, and very big happy birthday to you.
Right, and you are a true inspiration for the
You are a
millions
true
of
gem of India,
yes.
and you have a lot of values actually. So
Right.
please take care of yourself, and wish you a very good year ahead also.
Right, you have done a fabulous job for our country.
Yes. So on this occasion, we are deciding to give our tribute to Dhoni birthday special mashup.
Yes.
And this is created by WC Studios.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a very good mashup actually. So let's get started. I really hope that you like today's content, and if you do so, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the notification
Yes.
bell. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Okay.
Wow.
That's the craze.
He tries to be a step ahead of the opposition, and he's done a fantastic job there. So
That's true. Oof. Wow.
Sixers. Master of
All the
sixers.
shots. Yes.
Wow.
That's
Nice, yeah.
wow. Role model of millions. That's true. Right. Dhoni.
Wow, I really like that slow motion.
This one in the heart of millions.
Yeah. Nice.
Wow. That was superb. Seriously. He's super fast as well.
सर हम सोच रहे थे कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं हमें क्रिकेट
2001.
किसी का काम कर रहे हैं खड़गपुर स्टेशन में और रोज गेट नंबर 3 के सामने खड़े होकर फाइन इकट्ठा करते
The
हैं
pain.
ना तुम्हारा गेम इंप्रूव हो रहा है सर ना तुमको आगे का कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रहा है तब तक और कैसे चलेगा सर
Skipper MS Dhoni's name has surfaced. Protests have broken out against him. Fans outraged that a sportsman like him is involved in the scandal.
The emotional part was coming back and now getting into the process of
Yes.
The lion is back.
Alright.
Wow.
Wow. Wow. Lieutenant Colonel.
Yeah.
That was a theater response.
Yeah. Wow. I really like the music actually. That made the whole video
Yes.
in some other level.
Right.
WC Studios, you have done a great job. WC
Wow.
Studios, first I would like to say that. And now talk about the mashup.
Yes.
What
Let's
do you
first
like?
talk about Dhoni sir also.
He is a super
true
person. You can say a super
Talented
talented
person.
hero, superhero.
Yes, and everybody
Okay.
know him as a Captain Cool.
Captain
So now
Cool.
he's not captain, but yes, he is cool always.
He has a lot of contribution towards the society, towards the Indian cricket team, and he's super talented, we all know, and he has also faced a lot of struggles in his life, which we already saw in this movie,
Yes, in
MS
movie.
Dhoni.
Yes.
In the movie that we saw that coming from a very middle class background, then leaving the job,
Yes.
government job at that time, going against all of his parents and
Parents,
family,
everything.
he has decided to be a cricketer, and now where he is.
Right.
Now he is the inspiration.
Actually, he followed his dreams, and
Dreams.
he was successful in whatever he was thinking to be.
Correct.
And in 2001, he was nothing.
He was
And
nothing.
After 20 years, I can say now at this point 19 years.
Yeah.
So after 19 years,
Everybody knows
he's
him.
having everything.
Everything. He is
Right.
having everything, like everything possible
Right.
thing which a human can, opt for.
Yeah.
And also, like at the time, also he has faced a lot of failures, criticism,
yes.
and whatnot. But still, he was like chasing his dream, and he got it.
Yes,
So
and
that is the
whenever you are in the process of building something
Yeah.
bigger thing, and during
You will
those
get a
time you
lot
will
of
lot of
obstacles.
failures or obstacles. You
Yeah.
will have a lot of strength and lot of
bad
your
times you have
bad
to
times
face.
you have to face. Yes.
But you have to
come
be
back.
stable, and you have to like chase whatever you are dreaming for. You have to chase, and you will definitely get.
Yes.
So this message was there, from that movie, and here also in this mashup also, like it was
Right.
done. It was the executed beautifully. The
God of-
music I
God
really
of
like.
cricket.
God of cricket.
who
Line is back.
No,
This
God
kind
of,
of
generally God of cricket was praising him. That was
praising.
awesome. Sachin Tendulkar
Sachin
sir.
Tendulkar
Yes.
sir.
So
Yeah,
if
I
he is
was-
praising, then it is a masterpiece.
It is a masterpiece, yes, obviously. And yes, one thing I missed, that they should include Sakshi also in this
Okay.
clip, because she is
Family
the
background.
family, and she's the wife, and also she has also a lot of contribution
Yes.
towards him, like a wife always have, right?
Yes.
We all know that to be a successful man there is a woman, so
Yes.
that should be there. So that thing, I think it was missed, and also his family members, like his
Yes.
parents, they also should include in this mashup, because on the occasion of birthday,
Yes,
it is
I think
very
we can do a few more mashup where
we can
every
see.
cricketer, everybody is
Yeah.
praising him. So from us, we praise him a lot,
Yes.
and since childhood days we are seeing him.
Yeah.
Since school days we are seeing him, and each and every game we have watched, and we liked it really. His batting style,
his batting style, its
helicopter
helicopter
shots.
shots and all, like nobody can even imagine, like that kind of cricket also can be there, that kind of shot.
Yes.
It is very unique.
Actually, he bring a lot of different
Yeah.
type of concept in the keeping also,
Yeah,
in
yeah.
different type of shots and everything. He was totally new to those shots. Still, he managed to focus on those shots,
Yeah.
and now he's on top level.
On top level.
Now every player, every cricketer tries to do that helicopter shot.
Copy that.
Yes.
Correct. And yes, we are so proud of him, and yes,
Yes.
you are nature's pride.
Yes,
Actually,
and
he has gotten
he
that award also, right?
Yes, he has done a great job. 2 World Cup, one T20 and one 50-50 World Cup, one day World Cup. That was fabulous. That
Fabulous.
last ball shot sixer, it's famous all over the world.
Yes, I think people know that
Yes.
thing, and yes, you can understand like how happy we are, on
Yes.
this eve of Dhoni sir's birthday. So yes, today we are thinking that we will be like giving more reactions on different mashups. This is the first mashup which we are reacting on. So today more mashups will come. As of now, I think
Yeah.
we are thinking that. So yes, this is it for today's video. Now
Yes.
this is the time to read the comments.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Berry Burry, and he's commenting on Dil Bechara official trailer reaction. He's commenting, we shown the love towards him by giving 5 million likes, world record, which no human got till now and ever.
Yes.
That
And,
is very true actually. This
2 of our likes was also there.
also there. So definitely like he was a fantabulous actor, and this was very unfortunate that he has left us like
Yes.
at a very little age, young
Yes,
age.
right. And also we are
uh,
going to watch this movie, but absolutely it will be very hard for us to watch this movie.
But still we will be watching,
Yes.
and we will be like giving our reactions or review to you all, because ever since like Dil Bechara poster has got released, we thought okay, we have to see this movie. And Sushant Singh Rajput sir like always was our favorite, is our favorite, and will be our favorite.
Yes,
Okay,
and today
so
is the MS Dhoni sir's birthday, and he
Yeah.
has done a fabulous job in showing all the each
Yeah.
characteristics of MS
I
Dhoni
think
by his nature.
he is only the person who can who is the appropriate role for
Right.
Dhoni sir's
Exactly.
get up, right? Nobody can do that. So now we are wanting that this CBI investigation should be
Should happen,
happened,
yes.
and everything like whoever
Everything
have done.
should be in front of us.
Yes, everything should be in front of the world actually.
Yes.
So yes, thank you so much Berry Burry for your comment and for watching our videos.
So the second comment for today is from Mujahid Mujasir. He is commenting, acting killer Vikram. Please another Vikram movie react Kasi. Okay, so
Yeah.
Kasi is another movie, right?
So he has commented on Chian Vikram's Deva Thirumangal video,
Yes.
and yes, Kasi, I think we have not done, na?
No.
Kasi we have
Actually,
not done
we didn't
actually.
knew about this movie.
No, actually, we have gotten request, I think,
Okay.
for Kasi long ago, but it was a very, a small numbers of requests. That's why
Yes.
I think we overlooked it. We are very sorry for that, but definitely we'll be doing that.
Okay,
Because Chian Vikram sir, we all know that he is
Fabulous
he's
actor.
capable of, doing
Any role.
any kind of role, like whether it is a kind of creepy role or unique kind of, or kind of like stylish or a bichara
Anything,
kind of role,
anything.
any kind of role, he is that capable.
Yes.
Okay, and he's the superstar.
Yes.
So yes, we'll be doing Kasi, and for sure, thank you so much for watching and for commenting.
Yes. So the third and the last comment for today is from Arjun N, and he is writing his comment on robbery scene from the movie Arambam, and he is writing this boat stunt was done by Tala Ajit by his own real inspiration. Okay, it was looking like that
it was
also.
looking real only. Yeah,
Yes.
and also we know that he is having a lot of talents of
Right.
riding cars and
Bikes.
riding bikes, riding helicopters and
everything.
whatnot, boat. So he is fantabulous in
Right.
this all of this case,
And of course, he is
yes,
a
he
real
is a real
inspiration.
inspiration for millions.
Yes.
Okay, so he is inspiration for us also. So thank you Arjun for commenting and for watching our videos. So these are all the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.